Imagine you are exploring the Emerald Isle, enjoying the vibrant culture, and you want to greet someone with a touch of authentic Irish warmth. Knowing the right phrases at the right time can make all the difference, helping you connect more deeply with the locals. You should use Tráthnóna Maith in Ireland to say good afternoon or good evening. This versatile greeting is typically appropriate from around noon or early afternoon until late evening, encompassing the latter half of the daylight hours and into the darker hours before bedtime. The reason for this broad usage lies in the Irish word Tráthnóna itself, which literally translates to afternoon but is understood to cover both the afternoon and early evening periods. Unlike some languages that have a distinct phrase for good evening, Tráthnóna Maith smoothly transitions to cover both, reflecting the natural flow of the Irish day. It is about acknowledging the time between midday and nightfall, showing respect and cordiality. To confidently use Tráthnóna Maith, simply offer it as you would a regular good afternoon or good evening in English. When you pass someone on the street, enter a shop, or join a conversation, if the clock has gone past 12 in the afternoon, you are in the perfect window. Just remember to pronounce it Tráthnóna Maith, rolling the R and keeping it friendly. A lovely aspect of Irish greetings is their directness and their focus on wishing someone well for that specific part of the day. Using Tráthnóna Maith shows you have made an effort to engage with the local language, which is always appreciated. It is a genuine way to immerse yourself and receive a warm response, making your interactions feel more personal and memorable. Mastering this simple phrase will enhance your experience, allowing you to participate in everyday exchanges with confidence and a genuine appreciation for Irish culture. It is a small phrase that opens a big door to feeling more at home and making real connections during your visit to Ireland.